So, good morning, ladies and germs. Welcome back to another episode. And today, it's January 2 in the year 2020. And I'm gonna read to you today's gospel. No, not gospel. Today's wisdom. Or today's sharing, realizations, knowledge from the greatest Stoic practitioners of all times. Okay, education is freedom. What is the fruit of these teachings? Only the most beautiful and proper harvest of the truly educated. Tranquility, fearlessness, and freedom. We should not trust the masses who say only the free can be educated, but rather the lovers of wisdom who say that only the educated are free. Epictetus on his discourses. Why did you pick up this book? Why pick up any book? Not to seem smarter, not to pass time on the plane, not to hear what you want to hear. There are plenty of easier choices than reading. No, you picked up this book because you are learning how to live. Because you want to be freer, fearless, and achieve a state of peace. Education, reading and meditating on the wisdom of great minds, is not to be done for its own sake. It has a purpose. Remember that imperative on the days you start to feel distracted. When watching a television or having a snack seems like a better use of your time than reading or studying philosophy. Knowledge, self-knowledge in particular, is freedom. Now, the key takeaway learning here is knowledge. It is self-knowledge. It is required for us to have freedom. Now, the word self-awareness comes in because the more you know yourself, the more you control yourself. Going back to January 1st, reading, control and choice. The more you know yourself, the more control you have for yourself. And the more control you have for yourself, the more choices you have. And the more choices you have, the freer you become. And you fear less. You have more opportunities for growth. You have the key to unlocking doors of opportunities for growth. If you want to expand, if you want to grow, if you want to be richer, if you want to be more freer, or you want to help other people, you want to achieve your purpose, first, you have to know yourself. Not only the minor details, but deep inside. Now, I'm not saying that this is an easy task, but this is something that we should take, or we should try doing for the longevity of our lives, because we grow every day. And the more you grow every day, the more you realize that, damn, I know nothing. Damn, there are a lot of things that I should learn from other people's experiences, from other people's mistakes, from other people's, stories. And the more you know from their side, the more you realize that you have a lot to learn. You have a lot of areas for growth. Now, that's it, ladies and germs, for this daily reading of Stoicism. And before I end this, I want to tell you that stop doing shit. Stop wasting your time. You know what I'm saying? Just stop wasting your time. Because every one of us has a purpose. If you have time for social media, solely for entertainment, because other people use social media for business. Now, if you have a lot of time for for entertainment using social media, now you have to stop it. Why? Because you're wasting your time. Well, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. See you for tomorrow's reading, January 3rd. And yeah, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye.